So I just wanted to make a quick video showing you this March Madness sale that is going on. Let's get into the details. So guys, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you this March Madness sale that is going on right now. It's by Merch Informer, and they are giving a Merch Informer Pro subscription license locked in for life. So they're giving a 67% discount, and you can get an additional 20% discount if you use my code MakeMoney Online, all lowercase letters, and the link is in the description. This deal is gonna end by the 31st of March. March 31st, this deal is gonna end, so it's not forever. You should definitely take advantage of this discount. So I've spoken about Merch Informer a lot in the past. I've made several videos. If you just come to my channel, click on search and search for Merch Informer, click enter. It will bring you to videos in the past that I've made about Merch Informer. So the first video you see here is about how to find unlimited print-on-demand issues with Merch Informer, and this second one is about print-on-demand secrets you may not know about. It's also using Merch Informer. So I've made several videos in the past. If you'd like to watch them and learn more about Merch Informer, I'll highly recommend that you do. So guys, that's just what I wanted to tell you about, a quick update about one of the tools that I recommend for your print-on-demand business. Is giving a sale 60% off. You should definitely take advantage of this before it's too late. It's ending on the 31st of March. And I don't recommend many tools in this print-on-demand business. There are just 3 tools that I recommend. One of them is Merch Informer, then there's POD Connect, and there's Flying Upload. So I talk a lot about those tools on this channel, and I don't recommend something if I haven't used it. And there are 2 things I take into account before I recommend it: if it is useful and the price. So I look at affordability and usefulness, and these 3 tools fall in that category, and that's why I recommend it to you guys. So if you like to automate your print-on-demand business as well as find high trending designs, high profitable designs with tools like Merch Informer, POD Connect, and Flying Upload, then I'll highly recommend that you take advantage of this deal. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notify you when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.